Then Rappaport proceeded to challenge me to a fight. I believe this is sorry language, called me pussy repeatedly, and then made pictures of himself having sex with me from behind. That's when I put the shirt on sale. Okay. So it's the exact opposite of what you insinuated.
I see what you're saying. Okay.
That went well.
We started to talk about this, and then I had trouble with the video, so we stopped.
Uh-huh.
But you recall your testimony earlier today that the picture that you came up with, the T-shirt that you designed, you did all of that after you terminated Mr. Rapaport, correct?
Correct.
Isn't it true, sir, that in fact you actually had the picture ready to go, and that you were in fact just waiting to use something you could to justify your termination of Mr. Rapaport, and then use it at that point?
No.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to play for you a video, and I'll want you to, I'll have some questions for you after. It's Stool Scenes, episode 52, I Am Rapaport, stereo fraudcast, 23506. Okay. And this begins at 2:51 of the video.
How long did it take you to come up with those clown shirts? That's one of the most vicious things I've ever seen.
Oh, that was instant. Like, I was mad we had other shirts out before. I knew once we did it that it was like, I think my 3 texts went in order. I fired the wrong Rappaport, then I fired the real Rappaport, and then I said, well, we're make this shirt. Because I knew I was waiting for him to say something. Like, so I had him, like, well, I'll just wait till Rappaport opens his mouth, and I'll be like, boom.
You say privately, you're sorry.
I haven't talked to him.
So what did you mean, sir, when you said that you knew Rappaport was going to say something, and then you would have it ready to go, boom?
I don't know if you misinterpreted that. What I said on that was after when this all went down, I knew I had to fire him. I sent a text to the wrong Rappaport, different one. Then I fired Mike Rapaport. I said on that, so after he was fired, the third text was to our T-shirt guy to create the shirts because I knew Rappaport was going to go off the rails, which he did. And then once he was off the rails, we put the shirt on. So this is all post-firing, so I don't know what you mean by a predetermined thing.
Well, let me play it one more time, and then I'll have a question about a specific statement that you make, okay?
Anyways, he's the only idiot who said that, but every situation is fucking different. It was a no-brainer. Like, I was like, oh, should I fire him? It's like, oh, he's fucking done.
How long did it take you to come up with those clown shirts? That's one of the most vicious things I've ever seen.
Oh, that was instant. Like, I was mad we had other shirts out before. I knew once we did it that it was like, I think my 3 texts went in order. I fired the wrong Rappaport, then I fired the real Rappaport, and then I said, well, we're make this shirt. Because I knew I was waiting for him to say something. Like, so I had him like, well, I'll just wait till Rappaport opens his mouth, and I'll be like, boom.
Okay, so you said you knew he was going to say something, and so you had it ready, and when he said it, you were like, boom. What do you mean by that?
I just explained it. Once we fired Rappaport, I knew he was going to do things like he did, which is challenging me to a fight, make pictures of himself having sex with me from behind, things like that. When he did that, I was going to release the shirt. I'd have it ready to go. So I don't know, like,
So
your
you're not-
characterization of it being made before he was fired, that contradicts it.
The photo, when you said you knew he was going to say something and you had it ready to go, does that not mean that you were waiting for him to say something that you could then use to terminate him?
This video is after he was fired. I literally say in it, the guy goes, when did you have the shirt? I go, 3 things happened. I fired the wrong Rappaport. I fired Mike Rapaport. Mike Welker, who are our T-shirt guys. I go, the third, 1, 2, 3. So I fired Rappaport. The next text was to our T-shirt guy to get this shirt ready for when Mike Rapaport said something about me and escalate this, because at this point he had it. Then Rapaport proceeded to challenge me to a fight. I believe this is sorry language, called me pussy repeatedly, and then made pictures of himself having sex with me from behind. That's when I put the shirt on sale. Okay. So it's the exact opposite of what you insinuated.
I see what you're saying. Okay.
That went well.
It is your testimony, sir, that you did not have anything planned before Mr. Rappaport?
Correct.
Okay.
And that video you just played proves it.
Let's go to exhibit number 50.